Good morning, children, and welcome back in your English online class. I hope you all are fit and fine. So, today we will read a new chapter, that is chapter number 10, Our Universe. You all might be knowing about different facts related to universe. Some of the more facts we will come to know about in this chapter. So children, this is the picture of universe. Here you can see many dust is there, stars are there, planets are there. Now we will explore about the universe with the reading of this chapter. So, one clear summer night, Rohan and his father were out taking a stroll. Means they were walking. Suddenly, Rohan spotted something whizzing down from the sky. Something was coming quickly. He shouted loudly, "Look, Daddy, a shooting star." What Rohan said to his daddy? See, Daddy, it's a shooting star which is coming down from the sky. Rohan tugged at his father's sleeve and said, "What do you mean by tugged, children?" Pulled. "Isn't the sky looking nice and bright with so many shining stars?" So Rohan was saying to his father, "Sky is looking so nice and bright with so many stars. Our teacher tell us that they are a part of the universe." "What is the universe?" his father replied. Now he was asking, what is the universe? The universe is a huge wide open space. It came into being when there was a big explosion called the Big Bang many million years ago. "That sounds exciting," said Rohan. "Please tell me more." "Come, let's sit for a while and gaze into the sky as I tell you some fascinating facts about our universe," said Rohan's father. "Well, these twinkling stars are all part of our galaxy. The universe has many galaxies, and each galaxy is made up of over million of stars, dust, and gas." So he said, "Wow!" He exclaimed, "The universe is really big, Dan. Right, Daddy?" "Yes," explained Rohan's father. "And we are the part of one of the many galaxies in the universe. So we are also living in one galaxy. And our galaxy is called the Milky Way. Our galaxy name is Milky Way. There are over 100 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy, and the sun is just one of these stars." "Oh, tell me more," said Rohan. "Okay, tonight I shall tell you about a small part of the Milky Way. That is the sun's family. It is called the solar system. Planets and their moons, asteroids, meteoroids, and comets all form a part of the solar system. I shall explain each one of them so that you understand the sun's family better. Now, asteroids and meteoroids can be called space rocks. Okay, what they are called? They are called space rocks. Some asteroids are also known as the big. They are so big as a mountain, while some meteoroids are just like a grain of sand. And what are the comets? They are the bodies of dust and ice. They travel around the solar system in regular orbits, means in the regular paths. A comet is characterized by a long luminous tail, means shining tail, but this is visible only when the comet's orbit passes close to the earth. Then only you can see this. Otherwise, you will not be able to see this. Now, Rohan is more excited. Now, 8 planets go around the sun, of which the first 4 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Mars is also called the red planet and can sometimes be spotted with the naked eyes. That means you can see without any telescope or glass. On a clear night, these 4 planets are known as the rocky planets. So children, what are the rocky planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Even we live in Earth. You can see the picture of Earth. And which is called the red planet? Mars is called the red planet. Alright children, is it clear? Now the next four planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, are made of gas, hence called giants. You cannot stand on them, as it would be similar to trying to stand on a cloud. Saturn has some beautiful rings, but do you know children, Saturn has some beautiful rings also, and these four planets are called as giants. Okay, children, but did you know that these rings are made of small particles of rock, dust, and ice? Wow, this is very interesting, said Rohan. Now, the Earth has one moon and is the only planet inhabited. Inhabited means occupied with living things, because we are living and trees are there, animals are there. Many stars in the sky are like our sun with their own planets and moon. Rohan's father further explained. How fascinating! Daddy, do you think that there could be another Earth somewhere in the universe? Asked Rohan. I don't know. Maybe you could discover. He is saying you can only find it when you grow up. He smiled. Rohan's father smiled. Now see the picture of Jupiter. See children, this is the picture of Jupiter. This is Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And we have studied Saturn has beautiful rings. You can see these rings also, which is made up of rock, dust and ice. I hope children this is very clear to all about all the universe. And thank you children for watching this video. Have a good day.